Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi listened to people's grievances at the CM's grievance cell in Unit 5 here in Bhubaneswar today. About 1,000 people had registered their names to lodge their grievances. The Chief Minister said 81% of complaints have been resolved so far. Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation Commissioner Rajesh Prabhakar Patil reviewed the preparations for the Khandagiri Mela, which will begin tomorrow and run till February 12. The 9-day fair is expected to draw thousands of tourists as well as traders to the historic Khandagiri and Udaygiri caves in the capital city of Odisha. BJP MLA Babu Singh launched Lathi team, giving a stern warning that dancers will be beaten with lathis on stage if they perform vulgar acts during the Khandagiri Jatra festival beginning in Bhubaneswar on February 6. The MLA staged a rally to create awareness against obscene Jatra performances. Hockey India has announced that all tickets for the men's and women's FIH Pro League matches will be free of charge for fans at the Kalinga Hockey Stadium in Bhubaneswar. The matches are scheduled to be held at the Kalinga Stadium from February 15 to 25. Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnav today said that Rs 10,599 crore has been allocated to enhance railway infrastructure in Odisha in the 2025-26 budget. He informed that 6 Vande Bharat Express trains are currently running through Odisha. After the revision in tax slabs in the Union Budget 2025-26 to leave enough money in the hands of taxpayers, the government is likely to unveil the much-anticipated draft of the new income tax bill on February 6. The proposed bill aims to bring sweeping reforms to the current Income Tax Act. Jagdambika Pal, the chairman of the Joint Parliamentary Committee on the Waqf Amendment Bill 2024, responded to the opposition's concerns regarding the committee's meetings and the bill's progress. He said that all complaints and amendments have been included. In an election campaign in Delhi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah today said that the BJP government will free India from terrorism before March 31, 2026. He said PM Modi has worked to make Bharat safe and prosperous.
जदि आपंक आम भिडी भल लगा तेब आम चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करने को जमा भी भूलु नहीं।